My dear viewers, today discuss element, compound and mixture based on icse class 6. At first discuss matter. Matter are two types, pure substance and mixture. Pure substance are two types, elements, compounds. Element are three types, metals, non-metals and metalloid. Mixture. The separating methods of mixture, saving, sedimentation, decantation, sublimation, filtration, evaporation and magnetic separation. Okay, something discussed for this part. Matter has mass and occupies the space. Pure substance is the one type of atom or molecule. Element, substance, which is one type of atom. Compound, pure substance form two or more element combined in a fixed ratio. Metal mainly form hard and it is very good heat and electricity conductor, but non-metal electricity and heat bad conductor, non-sonorous, non-ductiles and metalloid, both property of metal and non-metal. Metalloid example for boron, silicon, arsenic, antimony, tellurium, etc. Mixture, two or more substance mixed together any ratio. The component of mixture, no change of chemical property. Separating methods of mixture, saving, sedimentation, decantation, sublimation, filtration, evaporation and magnetic separation. And now discuss this question based on this part. So the skin. Okay. My dear viewers, what is pure substance? Give example. A substance that consists of only one kind of atoms or molecule is called pure substance. Elements like oxygen and copper and compounds like water and carbon dioxide are a few examples of pure substance. Okay, next question. What is an element? Give any two characteristics. A substance that is made up of only one kind of atoms is called an element. Example, sodium, symbol Na. Characteristics of an element. Point number 1, an element is made up of only one kind of atoms. Point number 2, an element is pure and homogeneous substance. Point number 3, an element has fixed melting and boiling point. Point number 4, an atom is the smallest particle of an element which take part in a chemical reaction. Next question, write down the some characteristics of metal. Property of metal, point number 1, metal are mostly solid at room temperature. Point number 2, metals have a shiny surface. Point number 3, most of the metals are ductile. Point number 4, metals are a good conductor of heat and electricity. Point number 5, most of the metals are sonorous. Point number 6, metal are hard. Example, sodium, copper, gold, iron, aluminum, etc. Next question, write down the some characteristics of non-metal. Non-metal exist in solid or gaseous state at room temperature. Point number 2, non-metal are not shining in appearance. Point number 3, non-metal are not ductile. Point number 4, most of the non-metal are bad conductor of heat and electricity. Non-metal are not sonorous. Non-metal are soft. Example for non-metal, carbon, oxygen, sulfur, chlorine, iodine, etc. Next question. What is metalloids? Give the example. Some elements show the properties of both metals and non-metals. Such elements are called metalloid. Example: boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, tellurium are a few examples of metalloid. Next question. What is compound? Give the example. A compound is a pure substance formed when two or more elements combine together in a fixed ratio. Example: carbon dioxide. Next question. Write down the characteristics of compound. Compounds are substances formed by the chemical combination of two or more elements. Compounds, that is, the component of a compound cannot be separated by the physical method. Compounds are a pure substance. Example of compound is carbon dioxide. Next question. What is molecule? Give the example. A molecule can be defined as the smallest particles of an element or a compound that exhibits all the properties of that element or compound and can exist independently. Compounds are two types. Number one, when two or more atoms of the same element combine, a molecule of an element is formed like oxygen O2. When two or more atoms of different element combine in a fixed proportion, a molecule of a compound is formed like water. Okay. Next question. Define the mixture. Mention different type of mixture. A mixture is a substance that contains two or more different substances together in any ratio. Example: here is an example of a homogeneous mixture. There are two types of mixture, that is homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Next question. Write down the characteristics of mixture. Mixtures are substances formed by physically mixing two or more substances together. Component of a mixture can be separated by physical method. Mixture are impure substance. Example: here is an example of a homogeneous mixture. Next question. Write down the some separating methods of mixture. Mixtures can be separated by using techniques like sieving, sedimentation, decantation, sublimation, filtration, evaporation, and magnetic separation. My dear viewers, my dear students, please follow the next video, that is the serial number 100.